Hi bloomers! We are here today for another unboxing. Well, na-unbox ko na sila. And I'll just gonna show you kung ano yung mga items na dumating again this week. Okay, let's have a first look. Okay. Yan. So, let's start with this one. This one is called apple juice bakelite bangle, which was made around 1920s siguro or 1930s. Yan. Currently, sobrang collectibles nila, mga bakelite bangles. Also, lucides, yung mga old resin or plastics. Yan. Next is, we have this Egyptian Revival metal bangle. Okay. Eko. Hindi ko lang masyado sure kung kita yung engravings niya. Okay. Pero Egyptian Revival siya. And Egyptian Revivals, they came out around 1970s. Hindi ako nagkakamali. Okay, next one is a pair of unsigned earrings. There's some costume jewelries like Juliana, Sarah Coventry na unsigned. Pero syempre, mas sellable or mas mahal. Kasi mas mahal yung mga signed costume jewelries, which is understandable naman. Anyway, here they are. Look. Okay. Hindi ko sure pero parang hindi masyadong kita kung gaano sila ka-colorful. Actually, parang siyang blend ng fuchsia and teal color. Here, I'm sure. Sorry. Yeah. And next in line, we have two necklaces, vintage necklaces. I think the one is antique. Dahil, daw po makikita nyo kung gaano sila kaganda or kung gaano siya kaganda, the other one. Well, this one is beautiful as well. Very, very elegant. Look. Yan. And ang closure niya or clasp niya is called barrel clasp. Yung iniikot-ikot pa. Yung parang sa mga lolo't lola nyo, yan. Hindi ko sure kung kita. I hope so, yan. Okay, the next one is a bit, I think it's a bit antique. Hindi ko lang maalala kung saan ko siya nakita noon. Okay, this one is a choker. Like, yan. Actually, nasa isang siya, nakapost siya sa isang sikat na antique store sa US. Sobrang ganda niya. Next, we have a few pendants na I'm planning to make yung dalawa, yes. Yung dalawang pendants, gagawin ko siguro siyang earrings because they are the same. I think they're onyx. There. Yan. This one, I'm not sure if it's jasper. And the other one, this is the last one. Okay. And what else? Let me see. Oh, we have our Italian micro mosaic. This one is it's not a brooch. How say it? It's a hair clip, like a hair clip. It is a set of hair clip and earrings. Look. Hindi lang siya masyadong kita, pero mosaic siya. Like, alam mo yung mga parang mga little glasses. Yan, it's a hair clip. And a pair of earrings. Sobrang ganda nila. Yan. Hindi lang siya masyadong makita sa camera. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya i-focus. Ayaw niya mag-focus. Wala. Ayaw niya. Anyways, another picture. Yes, pero sobrang ganda nila as in. Kailangan lang silang i-polish siguro ng kaunti. Ayan. And sobrang collectible nila. Lalo na pag may mga marka ng Italy sa likod. Okay. This one, the last one, this one is artisanal. I will say it, artisan. This one is artisan made. Tada! It's a shoulder bag. Made siya ng tansan. Designed. Hand-painted na tansan. Yan. And yung pinaka, I don't know how you call it, skeleton ng bag. Ayan. Wire. Sobrang ganda niya. And yung package, ang bango. Ang bango niya. Ayan. Sobrang unique. And I love unique items. Ayan. So later on, ililist ko sila sa Vinted and ipopost natin sa Instagram. So please like, follow, subscribe our YouTube channel and Instagram. And we also have our vintage shop, okay? You can go there directly as always. So much for joining me today and stay blooming. Bye!